Hello, and thank you for purchasing the Amish Craftmasters Amish chair. Today, I want to share with you how to easily assemble this chair in 4 easy steps. Let's get started. Remove the chair from the box and the packaging. Locate the hardware kit. Inside the hardware kit, you'll find 4 leg bolts, 6 regular bolts, and 10 washers. Then locate the wing nuts. Assemble the washers with all of the leg bolts and regular bolts. Now locate the proper tools. You'll need a 7/16" wrench and socket, or a crescent wrench and a hammer to assemble this chair. Now let's assemble the seat. Put the backrest and the seat on the side like this. Insert the leg bolt and move the back of the chair around until the bolt seats itself into the pre-drilled hole of the backrest. Once that's done, you can use a 7/16" socket to tighten the chair down. You don't have to tighten it completely yet. We'll do that later on. If you use a power tool, be very careful at this stage. Now carefully flip the chair over to the other side and then repeat the process. The Amish Craftmasters poly furniture is easily manipulated. If holes don't exactly line up, you can push, pull, or tug on the poly furniture to get the holes to line up appropriately. The next step is to mount the leg and armrest assembly onto the seat and seat back. You will use 3 regular bolts with washers and 1 leg bolt in this step. First, put a bolt through the seat leg into the seat area as shown, and put the remaining 2 bolts into the seat area. You may have to manipulate the leg to line the bolts up into the right holes. Then use a hammer and tap the bolts into place. Then take the leg bolt with a washer and insert it into the back of the armrest. Then line the pre-drilled hole of the backrest with the leg bolt. Make sure that the leg bolt is seated in the correct pre-drilled hole of the backrest. You may now tighten the leg bolt down. Make sure that all leg bolts are seated into the proper pre-drilled holes of the backrest. Failure to do so will cause damage to the seat. Then flip the chair upside down and assemble the wing nuts onto the 3 bolts and tighten them down also. It is important to note that you have to make sure that the leg bolt is seated in the proper hole, or improper seating of the hole of the leg bolt will cause issues and cause problems with assembly. After this step is complete, flip the chair over and then repeat the process again for the other armrest leg assembly. We always recommend that you hand start all of the bolts, nuts, and leg bolts. Unless you're experienced in using power tools, we recommend that you use hand tools in this application. Once the chair is fully assembled, double check the tightness of all bolts. Again, I want to thank you for purchasing Amish Craftmasters chairs. We appreciate your business, and if you have any questions, please email us at support@procell.com. Thanks again.